Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VUZI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the eventful day on this one. Nasty gap down after. And the reason why it was so nasty is not necessarily because it gapped down, but because Thursday was such a good day. I mean, huge, very impressive bounce. And then just to have it roll back over. I mean, that's just a savage move today, and definitely some updates need to be done. First, I'm going to do is a little house cleaning here, get rid of that line up there. Sure, that level still pertains to the chart, just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion and clutter because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. But the first update that needs to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And that played out here multiple times today. So 23.25, that newest area of resistance. And you can see not once, not twice, but 3 times the price got up around that area, and it could just never maintain itself. It could never really build up enough strength and momentum. So breaking above it wasn't the problem. You can see 3 separate times the price actually broke above the red line, but actually staying up above it is where the price struggled. So you're going to want to keep a close eye on 23.25 as far as that initial area of resistance. If that level can be broken, then the next level you would want to pay close attention to is that purple line there, the 50-period moving average, which is currently valued at, we'll just call it $24.50. As far as levels of support are concerned, first key level to watch is going to be that pink line right there, which on my chart denotes a very well-known, the very famous 200-period moving average. Current value of that is at 21.68. And then if that level can't quite hold up, the next key level would just simply be where did the bleeding stop today, and that bleeding stop down there at the $20.55 mark. So you're going to want to keep an eye on that area down there also. But overall, any angle you look at it, these are going to be the main levels to watch moving forward. So it'll be interesting to see how this one continues to play out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only 1 losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.